Make $18,000 a month re-uploading YouTube videos. Hi, welcome to Smart Money Wisdom. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys exactly how you can make $18,000 a month re-uploading YouTube videos. So what is this video about? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go about to find videos you can re-upload, example of popular channels that are using this strategy that I'm about to show you, and how you can go about to edit those videos just like what I'm about to show you. Stay tuned. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so that you do not miss any steps that I'm about to show you. If you are new to the channel, subscribe. This channel is all about helping you to make money online. If you have any questions, comments, let me know and I'll get back to you. All right, let's get to it. The example YouTube channel that I'm going to show you that's using this strategy is called alux.com. So if you come here to YouTube and go to their videos, you will see a lot of their videos. It shows you listicles, and no, you don't have to be on camera for those videos. All you have to do is find videos about a particular topic that you want to talk about, and you find those royalty-free videos, and I'll show you in a few minutes how you can do that. You find the royalty-free videos, sketch out your idea of what you're going to talk about, and you just have a voice over, just like I'm even doing right now. All right, so let me give you an example of one of their videos. Let's try this video and see. So 15 types of rich people. Let's see that. As you can see, once I started playing the video, it is showing some ad. I'm gonna skip that real quick and let me pause the video a minute. So the ad that you just saw, one of the ways that they monetize the channel. So every single time that you click someone else's click to watch your video that you're gonna create too, just like alux.com, YouTube will play some ad, and then once the people watch it, this channel will make some money. As you can see, the video, it shows you like, it's almost like stock videos. You see this lady, so they didn't make this video themselves, and then they give you a little bit about themselves, the place where future come to get inspired. They're about to do the listicles. You see over here they have number 1, just got rich. The type of rich people, the number 1 is just got rich, the royal family rich. So this is number 4, the royal family rich. Okay, and we see here again another ad is popping up, and this is how their channel makes money. It's a stock video, and then they just have a voiceover just like I'm doing right now. Okay, so you get the idea. How does this channel make $15,000? Let's go to Social Blade. I've pulled up their statistics. So socialblade.com is a website where you can check out different YouTube channels to see exactly how much money they are potentially making. So I don't know exactly if that's how much they're making, but I believe just a conservative estimate, they are probably making about $18,000 at least a month. And I'm sure they are probably even making more than that probably, but just to be conservative, I think they're making about $18,000 a month. So if you come to socialblade.com and you go to Alux, their page, you pull them up, you see over here they have about 2.9 million subscribers. You do not have to have the same amount of subscribers to actually make money on YouTube. You just need to have a few subscribers, or even just a few views. You don't even need the subscribers. The most thing you need is the views. So if you come here, you will see that within the last 30 days, this channel had about almost 9 million views. Okay, so that's what I'm basing the $18,000 on. So let's see if they have 9 million views. So if this channel has 9 million views within the last month, right, and YouTube usually pays you by the 1,000. Okay, so let's divide 9 million divided by 1,000. Okay, that's gonna give you 9,000. Okay, and so for every 1,000 views that you get based on your channel and the niche that you are in, that will determine how much you get paid. So this channel, because they are kind of talking about money, I'm just gonna give a conservative estimate that they are making probably $2 for every 1,000 views, for every 1,000 views. So 9 million views divided by 1,000, for every 1,000 views you get 9,000. Okay, 9,000, and then you multiply that by 2. This is how you come up with the $18,000 per month. Okay, but let's say again, let's just even go to Social Blade and show you what they estimate this YouTube channel is making. So let's see, this is their daily average. They have about they're making somewhere between they're suggesting they're making somewhere between $73 to about $1,200. And then if you look at the last 90 days over here, Social Blade is suggesting they made somewhere between $2,000 and $35,000. Okay, this is just an estimate, but if based on my research and experience with other YouTube channels, they are probably somewhere in the middle. Just to be conservative, if you just do the $2 CPM, they are probably making somewhere like $18,000 per month just on YouTube ad revenue only. I'm going to show you how you can go about to get those free stock videos. So the first website that you can get the free stock videos is called pexel.com. Say you come in here, you click on the videos, you can search based on your niche what you are looking for. Let's search business, let's say. So it will kind of give us videos related to business. Okay, so this kind of looks like someone counting their money. So if your topic is about money, you can get a video like this one I'm about to play right now. Let's see. So as you can see, it's just someone counting their money. It's a guy counting their money, and you could click over here to download it if you wanted to download it. Okay, I'm not going to download it right now. And so that's pexel.com. You could download free videos from there, free stock videos. This way you do not get copyright strikes. Okay, so the next website is called pixabay.com. pixabay.com. So this website also has they have stunning free stock video footage and clips, so you can download it from there. Again, that way you do not have to worry about copyright strike against you on YouTube, and then YouTube will then demonetize your video. That way you do not make money. So you can see here, but you could click again over here for free download, and you see it says free for commercial use, no attribution required. After you download these videos that you want, now we go to the editing phase. Okay, so the next thing is how to edit the video. Okay, so one of the tools that I'm using right now to actually make this video is called Filmora, Wondershare Filmora. Their editing tool. They have this Filmora 9 that you can try for free if you like. The reason why I use it is just because it's an easy way to edit videos for beginners. Okay, I mean, even for a lot of professionals use it too, but it's an easy to learn video editing tool. So you just click the download. Once you click the download, it comes up. You do, again, the free version, you could use it without paying for it, but it's gonna have a watermark on it. You'd have to pay for it to be able to take off the watermark. So I'm paying for it, that way I don't have the watermark on it. But you do not have to use that. There's other web software that you could use to edit. So let me go. So this is, once you download it, this is how it's gonna look. And then once you download your free video clips, you would click here to upload those videos in there. Okay, to upload the videos that you downloaded from Pexels and Pixabay, you put it in here. So let me show you. They have sample videos over here. So like this, and put it on the timeline again, just to show you how easy it is. Just grab these videos, put them in there. So let's just assume this was like the video from Pexels. You just put it on the timeline like that, and you will find it's very easy to edit. Okay, so let's see, just like that. I've kind of created a video. There we go. So that's how you do it. And then you'd add over here. You would come here if you wanted to add a title. You could click the titles. Let's click this. You would add something like, say, let's double click it and then change it here. You could add 15 types of rich people. Okay, at the beginning, and let's shrink it a little bit to here. There we go. Alright, make it a little bit short, and then let's play. So start like this, 15 type of rich people, and then your video will start. And that's basically it. Okay, so once you finish editing the video, you go to export. You create the video, or you can upload it straight to YouTube, but I always prefer to create the video, save it to a particular place on your desktop or your download, a particular folder on your desktop. And once that's done, you click export, then it will export it. Then you can then go to your YouTube channel and upload it there. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions about the editing software like Filmora, let me know. If you have questions about how do you call it? If you have questions about Pixabay or Pexels, let me know. If you have questions about picking a niche, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you as well. All right, and that is it for today's video. Subscribe, like, comment. Until next time, stop waiting, start doing, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace out.